Hello everyone and welcome back. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how the VLOOK UP function works. So before we get down to it, let me just explain a little bit about the VLOOK UP function. So when looking at the VLOOK UP function formula, first of all, we have it has got the lookup value option, whereby you have to select the value that you want to look up in the table or the data table, right? So the table array is the data table that contains the value that you're looking for, and we've got the column index number, or this is the column number that contains the actual value that you want but is contained within the data table. Now the Boolean values, now here you have to specify whether you want an approximate value or you want the exact value. So Boolean values, these are represented by true or false. These are binary, and true is represented by 1 and false by 0. Now having said that, let us proceed to the following sheet. So we've got the fruit invoice sheet and the fruit data sheet, which is the data table in this case, or the data array, right? So here what's happening is we want to extract the price of these fruits from the fruit data table in the fruit data sheet. So to do that, we use the VLOOK UP function. So to do that, we have to initiate the formula, and then let's press tab, and here we want to choose so here we want to find the price of all these fruits here. That's why we have chosen the lookup value as the fruit type. Now we want to go down to the data tab. So here we select the entire data, and then we press F4 to anchor it, right? So we want to see, like, in which column number contains the price that we want, the selling price. So here this is column 1, 2, 3, 4. So here we put 4, and we want the exact match, which is represented by 0, and then we close the brackets, and then we press Control Enter. And here you can see that we now have extracted the price from the fruit data sheet. So here we can just double click this fill handle to fill the prices for the other fruits. Now we may want to remove this these borderlines there. So to remove that, we press Alt 8BN. So that removes that. And here we may want to compute the total, so we multiply that and copy that down. So let us remove the borderlines, Alt HBN. So here we may want to use the auto sum or the sum function. So auto sum is Alt equals, and then we press Control Enter, and then here we just add that, since we don't have any VAT. So here the total that the customer has to pay is $11.70. So thank you guys for watching. This is how you can use the VLOOK UP function. I hope you have enjoyed it, and if you want a comprehensive and in-depth understanding of the VLOOK UP function in various scenarios, I recommend that you enroll for our Excel for Accountants course, which we are offering online on our Learn Finance Institute. And don't forget to share this tutorial with your peers, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.